In this video, we will start the diversity of living world. It is a unit in that we will study the chapter the living world. Okay. The living world. Our earth was formed 4.6 million years ago, and the living system, that living organism, was formed 3.6 million years ago. Okay, so to define a living organism, what are the characters that will be very helpful? Let's study. So the first and foremost character, the living system should be have the protoplasm. Protoplasm is made up of nucleoplasm plus cytoplasm, is nothing but protoplasm. In the case of prokaryotic, where the genetic material is expanded in the cytoplasm. Okay, so that is secondary. So the living system should be have this protoplasm, nothing but cell. Okay, cell. So next character that should define the living world, living organism, is the living system or living organism should show growth. As you know, the cell has to divide. If the cell is divided, the size of the cell will going to increase, the number of size will going to increase, the mass of the cell will going to increase, means the mass of an organism will going to increase. So growth is a increasing in mass, size or number of an organism. Okay, so growth is an increase in the mass, size, number of an organism. So this is also one of the character to define a living system. Okay, next character after the growth, it should metabolism. It should show metabolism in cellular level or in the organ level or tissue level of an organization or metabolism. Okay, so metabolism, the all reaction of an organism. For example, it should be a respiration, or digestion, photosynthesis, so etc. So all type of this chemical reactions that will takes in the organ or tissue level or cellular level, so that comes under metabolism. So next character that will help to define the living system is reproduction. So the living organism should show reproduction, means it can be a asexual mode of reproduction or sexual mode of reproduction, and they will reproduce and produce offspring for the next generation. Produce offsprings for next generation. Okay, so reproduction is also one of the character to define a living organism or living system. Next character, it should respond to a stimulus. Respond to stimuli, means it should show response to a stimuli, means it has to interact. It has to conscious about the surroundings, what and all the things happen in the surroundings. This is also one of the important living characters of an organism.